Apple Pie Wonton Cups are quick, easy, and ready to party when you are. Whether you just want that apple pie taste without making a crust, or you're having a shindig that needs finger foods, this will be the star of the show. You can top them with nuts, whipped cream, honey, or leave them plain. So grab a cup of hot cocoa. It's time to make some magic in Mrs. Kringle's kitchen. Hit the red subscribe button and click the bell to be notified when new videos go live. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. You'll need wonton wrappers and a muffin pan to start. Spray the tins with a little bit of cooking spray and place each wonton wrapper inside to form a cup. Put them in the oven for about 3 to 5 minutes to blind bake while you make the filling. Get 3 medium Granny Smith apples and peel them. If you have a corer and slicer, it gets the job done quickly. Then dice into slices into small bite-sized pieces, which will shrink down a bit as they cook. Set aside your blind bake wontons and get the sauce ready. To a saucepan, add a 1/4 cup of water, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of dark brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of coconut sugar or more brown sugar, 3/4 teaspoon of cinnamon or pie spice. Give the mixture a stir to dissolve the sugars. Then pour the apples into the pan and give them a toss to coat thoroughly. Cook for about 8 minutes or until the apples are just tender. Then fill the wonton cups with the apples just on the bottom so that it doesn't overflow when you pick them up. Bake in the oven for 5 more minutes and they're ready to serve. I like to top them with walnuts if I'm feeling healthier, and whipped cream or cinnamon honey when I want to kick them up. Apple Pie Wonton Cups are so tasty and are a fun dessert for everyone. Adults and kids alike will love them, and no big fuss is necessary for that classic apple pie you're craving. Plain or topped, they will be your new go-to dessert to make in a flash. For the full printable recipe, head over to mrskringleskitchen.com. Until then, here are a few more videos you may like. Don't forget to give a thumbs up,